Para kanino ka ba gumigising? Every morning when your alarm goes off, pause and ask yourself, para kanino ka ba gumigising? Hindi lang ito simpleng tanong. This is a reminder of your why. Personally, I always think of my family first. Para sa kanila, ang bawat pawis at pagod ko. I remember my nanay's words, "Anak, kahit gaano kahirap, tuloy lang. Hindi ka nag-iisa." Those words fuel me on the hardest days. Maybe para sa'yo, it's your kids, your partner, or your parents. Maybe it's your dream of a better life, or proving to yourself that you are capable of more. Kahit ano pa man yan, hold it close. That why will keep you going when you feel like giving up. Remember, the struggle you're in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. Hindi madali bumangon araw-araw lalo na kapag tila walang nagbabago. But every single step counts. You are stronger than you think, and your small consistent efforts will lead to big victories. Gumising ka, hindi lang para mabuhay, kundi para magmahal, mangarap at magpursige. Ikaw ang inspirasyon ng iba kahit hindi mo alam. So rise with purpose, move with passion, and live with love. Para kanino ka ba gumigising? Sagutin mo araw-araw and let the answer guide you.